Welcome to Agri Gadget Picks. Keep your firewood organized, dry, and ready with a durable outdoor storage solution built for strength and airflow. Best Backyard Firewood Rack outdoor options combine frames, weather resistance, and efficient stacking to maximize space, protecting logs from moisture and pests. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. MOFEEZ Bracket Firewood Rack. The MOFEEZ Bracket Firewood Rack offers a simple yet highly flexible solution for anyone who prefers a customizable wood storage setup. Instead of a fixed frame, this design uses a pair of heavy-duty steel brackets that allow you to create your own rack using standard lumber. Built from sturdy 14-gauge steel, the brackets feel solid and dependable, with smooth welds and no sharp edges, making them safe to handle during assembly. The electrostatic powder-coated finish adds a strong layer of rust resistance, which is especially useful for outdoor use in changing weather conditions. One of its standout features is the ability to adjust the size of your rack based on your needs, whether you want a compact indoor holder or a larger outdoor storage system. The pre-drilled drainage holes are a thoughtful addition, helping prevent water buildup and wood rot. While it requires purchasing wood separately, this rack is perfect for those who value customization, durability, and a clean, minimalist design. Number 2. MOFEEZ Explo Firewood Rack. The MOFEEZ Explo Firewood Rack stands out as a complete storage solution, combining a sturdy rack with a well-fitted protective cover. Constructed with thickened steel tubes and reinforced with a double powder-coated finish, the rack delivers excellent durability and resistance to harsh outdoor conditions. It comfortably holds up to half a cord of firewood, making it ideal for households that rely heavily on wood burning. The included 600D Oxford fabric cover, enhanced with PU and PVC coatings, adds reliable protection against rain, dust, and UV exposure. What makes this rack particularly practical is its ventilated design, which allows air to circulate while preventing moisture buildup, ensuring your firewood stays dry and ready to burn. Installation is straightforward, and the components fit together seamlessly without unnecessary complications. Its balanced size works well for patios, gardens, or decks, offering both organization and protection. Overall, this rack is a great choice for those looking for convenience, weather resistance, and long-term outdoor performance. Number 3. Artibear 4-Foot Firewood Rack. The Artibear 4-Foot Firewood Rack is a compact yet highly reliable option designed for stability and everyday use. Built with a heavy-duty tubular steel frame, it provides impressive strength while maintaining a manageable size that fits well on patios, decks, or near fire pits. The double black powder-coated finish ensures strong resistance against rust and weather damage, allowing it to perform consistently in different climates. With a weight capacity of up to 550 pounds, it can easily hold a substantial amount of firewood for regular use. One of its most notable safety features is the inclusion of lock rings and multiple sturdy legs, which enhance stability and help prevent tipping, especially important in homes with children. The raised design keeps logs several inches off the ground, promoting airflow and reducing moisture buildup that can lead to wood rot. This thoughtful combination strikes a great balance between durability, safety, and space efficiency, making it a dependable choice for both indoor and outdoor setups. Number 4. Organizelink Cover Firewood Rack. The Organizelink Cover Firewood Rack is designed for those who want a durable, all-in-one storage solution with minimal assembly hassle. Its unibody frame construction sets it apart from many competitors, eliminating weak connection points and providing a solid, stable structure that holds up well over time. Made from heavy-duty, powder-coated steel tubes, the rack offers excellent durability and resistance to rust and environmental wear. It comes with a premium 600D Oxford cover that features both PU and PVC coatings, effectively shielding firewood from rain, snow, and UV exposure. The elevated design keeps logs off the ground, while built-in vents ensure proper airflow to reduce condensation and maintain dryness. This thoughtful combination helps keep firewood in optimal condition year-round. Its generous size makes it suitable for larger storage needs, whether placed in a backyard, on a deck, or near a fireplace. Overall, it delivers strong performance, convenience, and reliable protection. Number 5. Vailge 8-Foot Firewood Rack. The Vailge 8-foot firewood rack is built for those who need maximum storage capacity without compromising on strength and stability. Its large, adjustable frame allows you to tailor the length to fit your available space, making it suitable for both expansive outdoor areas and more controlled setups. Constructed from high-quality steel tubing with a double-layer powder coating, it offers excellent resistance to rust and weather damage, ensuring long-term durability. With the ability to support up to 3,200 pounds, this rack easily handles heavy loads of firewood, making it ideal for frequent use or colder seasons. The design includes multiple support feet and spacer bars, which significantly improve stability and reduce the risk of tipping or collapsing. Its raised structure enhances airflow, helping keep logs dry and ready for use. Despite its size, assembly is straightforward, with clear instructions provided. This rack is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a heavy-duty, spacious, and reliable firewood storage solution. Choosing the right firewood rack ensures your wood stays dry, organized, and ready for use all year round. Focus on durability, size, and weather resistance to match your space. A reliable rack not only protects your firewood, but also keeps your backyard neat, safe, and efficient.